The day has arrived, a big moment in our company's history. Finally, we can have our own building for our staff and for your footprint in China. I've arrived early to provide you a sneak preview before everyone else arrives here for the big party. Let's go and sign in. As you can see, I'm Chris, a business development manager at Made-in-China.com. I'm one of the team behind the screen helping you source your products. So I'm looking forward to welcoming you here in Nanjing. Come on, let me give you a quick tour before the party starts. Check out this place. What's not to love about this? You can find me here after work or at lunchtime. So this is my new desk. Here is where I'll be answering all your questions once everything is set up. I'm feeling kind of hungry. You must be hungry after all this filming, Lee.
Yeah, man. Let's go.
Let's go and get something to eat.
Yeah, sure.
Check out this canteen, it's massive, enough to feed an army. I really want to say how grateful I am to all the canteen staff who feed us for breakfast, lunch and dinner every single day. Let's have a look at some of the delicious food today. Favorite time of the day. You still filming me? Come on, give me a break. I'll see you in the afternoon when the big party starts. Bon appetit.
That's it.